welcome to another video. So today's video isn't so much like a regular tutorial, it's more a sew with me vlog. My birthday is in 4 days and I tried to get something to wear, but nothing has seemed right. I have gone into stores, I have tried shopping online, I just haven't found, the perfect thing. So as I often do, I've decided to make something myself. Who doesn't love a custom made dress, right? So I'm making 2 dresses for my birthday because I can't quite decide on which one I want to wear. I may just end up wearing both. I'm traveling in 2 days, so I have 48 hours to make both those dresses. So I'm going to be making something simple. So I decided to make both of them bodycon type dresses, which I already have a tutorial for on this channel, but I'm going to be doing something a little different with these dresses. I don't really know how it'll turn out, but I have a plan and I'm hoping that plan will work. I've got 2 fabrics. I've got all my materials ready. I have this really beautiful green fabric that I picked up from Mood, and a gold sequin fabric that I got earlier in the year that I wasn't sure what I would use it for, but if there's ever a time to wear a gold dress, it's when you're turning 30. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I'm going to start sewing now. Well, first I have to work on the pattern. If you want to see how the 2 dresses turned out, keep watching.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're my